Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Eki. If it's your first time seeing me, you are welcome. Are you having trouble winging your liner? Look no further, because today's video is detailed on that, so stay tuned while we go right in. So guys, I'll be winging out my eyeliner using the Just Gold liquid liner. I don't know what is inside. It's always making this noise. I like to shake it before I use. Is their liquid liner in JG752. I don't know what that means, if that is the color of the dark, if it's the number of the color or something. So I always love to shake that before I take it out from the container or the tube, or is it the tube or the container? Okay, so this is how it is. I always take off the excess before I start using. So this is what I do simply. It's either I go from the outer corner of my eyes, or I go from the middle, then just draw a line. For this video, I'm going to be starting off from the middle of my eyes, and then just bring your eyes down. I'm not having eyeshadow on my eyes because I just wanted to keep this simple and then just show you how I wing out my eyeliner. So I'm starting from the middle. I'm just looking down so that I'll see exactly where to place my liquid liner. So I'm just taking that down. Then I'll go to the outer corner of my eyes, then look up straight like so. You drag it to the length that you want, and then what I do, I come here and connect it. To what I have drawn earlier. So I'm going to go back into that bottle and take some more. Always take off the excess, because if you don't, you will definitely get your line messy. So I'm going down, and this liquid liner dries down matte. So I came to the inner corner of my eyes and then drag it to the liner that I've drawn before. So I'm just smoothing that line just to make sure that everything is seamless. So because I'm not having anything on my eyes, that is why I'm making this liner a little bit bigger than usual. So I'm going to be filling that space out. I still went back into the bottle, and then I'm smoothing, I'm filling that space where the liner has not touched. And then I'm going back to the tip just to make sure that everything is nice and smoothing out. For this liquid liner, especially for people that have hooded eyes, I always allow the liquid liner to dry down before I lift my eyes up, because if you lift your eyes up without it drying down, you're going to smudge it, like you're going to get it everywhere around your eyes, especially for those that have hooded eyes. So I suggest, if you're using a liquid liner, let it dry down first before you move to the next eyes. If not, you're gonna spoil your whack. Okay, so the next thing I like to do is eyeliner pencil. This is from the Luster, so I'll be using this to tap line. This is very, very, very important. I'm going to be showing you the difference between these eyes and the other one. I love to touch line because it just helps make the eyes look more fuller, and when you apply your falsies, it will appear more fuller. Okay, I don't know if you're seeing the difference between this eye and this one. This seems to appear more darker and fuller than this one, so I'm going to be lining this as well. So I don't know if you are seeing the difference. So as you can see, I drag this to the lower lash line here, just to connect my wing to my lash line. So if by chance you smudge your liner or something, or it gets to this area of your face, you can just use your concealer. Let me just show you what I'm saying. You can just, if by chance you did something, you can just use your concealer and then just walk around this area and clean it. So guys, I just shared a bit of my confidence with you because I was never too okay with liner. When I was learning makeup, I was like, who on earth brought eyeliner? I was wishing you can just skip this part when it comes to makeup, but you know, practice makes perfect. This is my own self-confidence that I'm sharing with you guys today, because this was one of my fears when it comes to makeup. I was always freaking out when it gets to this part. I was always wanting, oh my god, I want to skip this area, but there is no way you can skip this area, especially you're doing makeup on others, because I do makeup on others. So please, if you've not subscribed yet to my channel and you're still watching this video, please go subscribe, leave a comment right down below, give this video a thumbs up already if you're loving it, okay? And also share your thoughts with me. Let me know what videos you want to be seeing up next on this channel. So I'll be going off camera to pop on some lash and I'll be back. that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and also let me know what videos you want to be seeing more on this channel. Please subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss new videos. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.